How to meal plan for weight loss. Hey everyone. Welcome back to How to Fix Stuff. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, how to meal plan for weight loss. Whether you're just starting your weight loss journey or looking for some new strategies, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, why is meal planning so important for weight loss? Well, when you plan your meals, you have more control over what you're eating, which helps you make healthier choices and avoid those last-minute, unhealthy options. Plus, it can save you time and money. Sounds good, right? Let's break down the steps. Step 2. Calculate your calorie needs. Understanding how many calories you need per day is essential for weight loss. There are plenty of online calculators that can help you determine this based on your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. Once you have this number, you can plan your meals accordingly. Step 3. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Focus on foods that are high in nutrients but low in calories. Think clean proteins, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. These foods will help you feel full and satisfied while providing your body with the nutrients it needs. Step 4. Plan your meals. Take some time each week to plan out your meals and snacks. Aim for 3 balanced meals and 2 healthy snacks per day. Variety is key, so mix it up to keep things interesting. Step 5. Prep ahead. Meal prepping can be a game changer. Spend a few hours on the weekend preparing your meals for the week. This can include chopping veggies, cooking proteins, and portioning out snacks. Having healthy options ready to go will make it easier to stay on track. Step 6. Monitor your progress. Keep track of what you're eating and how you're feeling. This can help you identify what is working and what might need adjustment. There are many apps available that can help you log your meals and track your progress. And there you have it. 6 steps to help you meal plan for weight loss. Remember, the key is to stay consistent and be patient with yourself. Weight loss is a journey, and every small step counts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite meal planning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.